Hi everyone, this is Ian Nganga, and I'd like to give a brief on my experience with EBU. We were doing the Master in Data Science and Artificial Intelligence, and boy, the program was amazing, struck crazy in terms of we were able to do a crash course, a 2-year course in 6 months, and I can tell you that it was not easy. All the sleepless nights, the hard work we put into it, the hours that we had to sacrifice. Having classes on Sunday evening with Mr. Inder Singh, it was very interesting. You have a sleep at 10 a.m. at night, trying to figure out what the lecturer is trying to teach. A very good friend, Luke DeCusta, very interesting guy. Very informative, very intense actually, because we were trying to understand what WUMPAS was all about when we were doing introduction to AI, and it really did blow our minds. It was a very interesting experience meeting both local and international professors. We have built a network of students. We have a platform where we have interacted with people from Botswana, people from Uganda, our fellow Kenyans, guys who are in Dubai, and we have shared our moments, we have shared our struggles, we have shared our achievements. And to come to this point where we're all graduating as a class, it is actually a very big blessing. We don't take it lightly, because 6 months has been really something. And to be honest, even at the tail end when we were having issues to do with the system, to do with fatigue, we have been able to come this far. And we actually thank the institution, the investors, the scholarship, everything, and everyone who came through for this program to be able to come together. We don't take it for granted. We just say a big thank you, and we hope that the next phase of the institute is going to be even more amazing. Thank you very much, and have yourselves a good one.